Hello. I'm good. How are you? It's not stuck in the rice. Very good. This is all nasi, yes? Rice? What's up? It still has a husk, you said? Yeah. Oops, sorry. What? What's that? Yeah. Oh yeah, you can see the woman over there, on the leftmost one. You can see her cutting stuff with the sickle. Interestingly, she's not hacking with the sickle. She's going like this. I don't know. I've never seen a sickle used before. Yeah. And then, not like a machete or something like that. It's interesting. You can also see here that the rice. I thought the rice kind of was scattered everywhere, but instead it's like little chunks. I guess that's true. Yeah. And then I guess after they cut it, then that woman gets it into a bundle. Those women over there whack it on the thing to get the kernels off. I don't know what that woman down there with the thing is doing. Yeah, I think you're right.